everyone, I'm Tanmaya. India has the Parliament as its most important constitutional institution. Indian Constitution is the pillar of democracy, and as citizens, it is our concern to know what exactly these constitutional duties are. It is my duty, it is your duty, it is our duty to know more about these constitutional rights and duties pertaining essential. And to learn more about them, we have to first learn about the electoral system and how it is backing the parliamentary mechanism. We have to learn how the election is being conducted, how it is being organized, what are the rules and regulations, what is the sanctity of it, and most importantly, how are the citizens being given equal rights for voting. However good a constitution may be, if the people implementing it turn out to be unjust, then it will be ineffective. Here comes how we can see this parliamentary constitution's miniature system which is being implemented in our school SRCS. SRCS is after seeking and finding. What we seek will be found, what we found will be sought after. This year we had our parliamentary election for both juniors and seniors. It had its vigor and elegance in operation. Verification has been done, scrutiny has been done, and we found the eligible candidates from the election. In alignment to the Indian Parliament constitutional system, we do have exposure and experiential learning of citizenship in SRCS. Now I invite our principal, Reverend Dr. Sanil Jose, to enlighten us with the introductory words and welcome.
Actually, at SRCS, we have a different vision, which is backed by the very motto of the school, seek and find. SRCS have a vision which is nothing but integral formation and development of the children. Rather than simply sticking to the academic excellence, we always think about and seek for finding the opportunities and exposure programs for our students to develop in different ways. We have the parliamentary mechanism organized in the school level to motivate and train the students to participate in the national building as well as their political consciousness. If you don't give any chance for the students to involve in political affairs in the school, and if you don't let them participate in the administrative affairs of the school, how are they going to know about it? So that is why we organize all such exposure programs, especially how they can participate in the administrative affairs of the school is our concern. And we have our junior parliamentarians and senior parliamentarians today. I wish them all the best for their future services and presence here. And how are the student society at SRCS going to merit out of it? This is a second question to be asked and to be answered. They are elected by their friends. There was a special scheme of announcement and declaration of election, proper conduction of it. And all the students contested for the election have not been elected. But the leaders who have been chosen by their friends are supposed to serve the community of the students in a significant manner. And today, in this investiture ceremony, I am very glad students are given lot of chances to interfere, intervene, as well as participate in the decision-making affairs of the school. The school's administrative affair is not simply reserved to the principal or management or staff members. We cannot just say that our vision is far-sighted, and our vision always let our students, the prime stakeholders of the school, get a chance to participate in the decision-making affairs of the school. To ensure such a cause, we have regulated and constituted such a parliamentary system in the school. So today when SRCS parliamentary system comes to existence, I am so glad to be a person who monitor and advise how the children can be given such nominations as well as privileges to develop themselves. SRCS parliament system always give our children, our students, great opportunities to be the leaders with responsibility and commitment. That is how their office becomes significant. And we simply don't let them be elected to be a head boy and head girl, but after their election, they get a chance to participate in the investiture ceremony, how their action begins and commences. They voice their fellow students' voice in the meetings when officially convened. So, the students' regards as well as concerns are being noticed. Accordingly, they influence somehow the decision making policies of the school for their sake. So, dear stakeholders and well wishers, let me proudly declare that SRCS always let our children participate in all the affairs of the school along with the staff and management and parents. With this registration, let me congratulate all the junior and senior parliament members of SRCS Parliament today. And let me also gladly acknowledge the spirited enthusiasm shown forth by our election commission and members of media SRCS team. With these concerns, let me wind up. Thank you very much.
Now I invite our Chief Electoral Officer, Mrs. Geeta VR ma'am.
Welcome to this investiture ceremony. The school is a doorway of many opportunities for the kids to learn a lot for life. It makes them understand how life can be groomed and it prepares them for the future. Leaders are not born, they are made. Let every child who stand here in today's investiture ceremony be a leader for the future of the nation.
Now our senior elected parliamentarians will be conferred sash by our very Reverend Father Joshi Pulikotil. Now our junior elected parliamentarians will be conferred sash by our Reverend Father Saju Arkil. Now I invite our respected manager, Very Reverend Father Joshi Pulikotil for the presidential address.
പ്രിയപ്പെട്ടവരെ, SRCSൻ്റെ ജൂനിയർ സീനിയർ പാർലമെൻറ്റ് മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇന്ന് നിലവിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റിൻ്റെ പേരിൽ എല്ലാവിധ ഭാവുകങ്ങളും ആശംസകളും ഞങ്ങൾ നേരുകയാണ്. നമുക്കറിയാം, കോവിഡിന് ശേഷം നമ്മൾ സ്കൂളുകളൊക്കെ തുറന്നു, പാർലമെൻറ്റേറിയൻസ് ഇന്ന് ചാർജ് എടുക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവിധ പ്രാർത്ഥനാശംസകളും ഞങ്ങൾ നേരുന്നു. നന്ദി.
To take an oath is like to take a road to one's growth. I invite our respected Vice Principal Rohini ma'am for the oath-taking ceremony for both juniors and seniors.
I,
Advait Sinoj Menon, Head Boy.
Karina Caitlin Matthew, Head Girl.
Albin Vijay, Assistant Head Boy.
Suhana, Assistant Head Girl.
Malavika Vishnudas, Art Secretary. Srilakshmi KR, Assistant Art Secretary.
Ashwati M, Sports Captain.
And Mary Subin, Assistant Sports Captain.
Do hereby
solemnly pledge that
we will truly and vigilantly uphold the good name of our school at all times.
Of our school at all times.
We will strive for academic excellence through perseverance, boundless energy, and relentless commitment. We will maintain a strong character and moral values based on respect, mutual understanding, and brotherly love. We will never let our emotions degenerate into harshness, hostility, animosity, or prejudice, and we espouse the school regulations without exception. I,
Akshay Ji, Junior Head Boy. Madhumita Kishore, Junior Head Girl.
Srihari S, Junior Assistant Head Bar. Gayatri R. Nair, Junior Assistant Head Guard. Phil Lambert, Junior Art Secretary. Leah Mahesh, Junior Assistant Art Secretary. Ashujit S, Junior Sports Captain. Siddharth Naveen, Junior Assistant Sports Captain.
Do hereby solemnly pledge that we will truly and vigilantly uphold the good name of our school at all times. We will strive for academic excellence through perseverance, boundless energy, and relentless commitment. We will maintain a strong character
our strong character
and moral values based on respect, mutual understanding, and brotherly love. We will never let our emotions degenerate into harshness, hostility, animosity, or prejudice, and we espouse the school regulations without exception. Thank you.
I wish all the parliamentarians have a fruitful journey ahead. Let me conclude this special coverage of investiture ceremony. Stay tuned.